Alright, hello everyone. Let me explain you the trade that the Donvo had taken yesterday that had a drag down of around $43,000. Alright, and changes. Alright, yesterday this was a daily candle of the yesterday, and his scenario here was like we had this one resistance and one support. We are in this range. Alright, we are in this range. So we haven't still made the like bottom week of this candle, so it's very rare the candle go straight up. Okay, straight, it's very rare for candle to go straight up. If it has to go up to the next point, next resistance, it has to first create a bottom wick like this. All right, bottom, and it has to close the bulb. All right, so this was a scenario. Let me show you in the trading view here. So yesterday was this. So let's go on 4 hour. So this was on 4 hour. These are the zones he created, and what happened here was he waited uh, till the 4 hour close. 4 hour close like this on the uh, with a good bottom wick and a bullish structure, and it was closed like around the resistance area as a bullish. So when the next 4 hour candle started, when the next 4 hour candle started, it start starts to go down, right? It starts to go down. Let me show you. Starts to go down. Let me go for a minute. All right, look how it starts to go down, like only creating small top wick. Okay, but yeah, that's why he said that the market has to at least come up to create a top wick first, and like fill these ranges, and it will go down. Okay, so we took this trade, like it took this buys here and expect market to create a top wick and fill, or else like fill these ranges before going down, but that didn't happen. Instead, and straight went down. uh all right, that didn't happen and straight went down. So uh his trade was around like this. Stops are below this area is stops here. Okay, and what happened is so look how he said was like, if this hour this 1 hour candle closed below in the before, I'm like back in the range, and what he told was, if this next 1 hour candle break the low, and you know break the low, and it creates a top wick, and again if it breaks low, then it will, he said that it will, sorry, then he say it will close full, right? Full, but it closed uh in the like in the range up. Okay, so and he like just waited for the next 1 hour candle, and he took a second buy. He took a second buy in this 1 hour candle. What oh, what was the idea of the second buy was that, mm, at first he said that this candle on the flick flip of this 1 hour candle, he said he was gonna buy. And another confluence here was we had this 15-minute range here. All right, we had this 15-minute range, and what happened is this candle goes inside the range, and so what he said was every time the candle closed above this area, it has always went up. All right, it has always went up. It always went up. It always went up. At least, to this area, at least on average. So he took a like I think a trade here on the bottom was like here, and it started to go down, and it stops here over here, and he his take profit was around here, but he marked a zone here like it has to at least touch this zone. Okay, so what happened here is market came close the area and got rejected, and since he was like around like $6,000 in loss, since he's covered a little, but he didn't close that trade. He waited till break even by saying that the market has to at least go to like 32 level, because he look on the left that every time market closed above this, it has raised here. Every time market closed above this, it has raised here in 32. Uh, but you know there wasn't, look, this closed above, this rejected from here, this rejected from here, right? But he insists that uh, it will go up to here, all right? And but eventually it went up to there, but you know it took some time. It took it took another 1 hour candle uh, to like reach there, okay, reach this area. Oh, I mean, like took like yeah, next 1 hour candle to touch the area. So yeah, and when yeah, he closed here around it closed full here, both position with around 8 pips in profit. So what we can learn from this trade is uh, first thing is that look, it never came up to create a top wick. All right, it never came up to. It is today also it went down. It never came up to create a top wick, and yeah, he was like against the daily bias. Okay, so yeah, according to daily, that we were generally creating a top wick to go down, right? Because look, there is no bottom wick, there is no bottom wick. So we don't know from which point till which point the market will create a top wick and start to go down. Yeah, this was that area. And the second thing that uh, we have to like we have to add position. Like we should not add position here one, here one, here one. Okay, at least we have to wait till some confirmation to add another position, like he did. All right, he like there was no any trade till this drop down to buy. He waited till this happened, and he nearly got stopped out, and he was like very in negative that he was gonna stop out, because like look at this 15-minute candle, there was no bottom wick, and he was very nervous about that. And stops were just below here, and he's gonna like, oh, I'm dead, I'm dead. He was saying that thing, but I don't know, luck or what. It just closed up, and he took another bite, and it went up, and yeah, he closed at around 8 pips, around break even, you could say that. But at some point, he was at the track, like track down of, you know, 400, 43,000 pips. Right, that's it.